you need some help with your vehicle? Finding the right automotive center can be confusing. With so many choices in your city, how do you find the best professional to suit your repair or installation needs? We caught up with a local automotive expert to find their insights on what to look for when finding a great automotive center.
Often I get asked how to find a paintless dent removal company, and sometimes it can feel daunting, but not if you ask the right questions. I'd like to give you a few tips on choosing a good paintless dent removal company. Step one is look at their reputations. Read 5, 6, 10 of their reviews and see what other customers might say about that company. See if it's going to fit your needs. Do they have a great reputation? Here at Dent Dynamics, I built my company on my reputation. We've been in business since 1993, and most of our customers come in from referrals, probably 80–90% of it. We have a great reputation. We take a lot of pride in what we do, and it shows. It shows in as soon as you walk in the door and greeted by a happy smile. Is the company you're choosing up on the latest techniques and tools? When I first started Dent Dynamics, I only had one method. Now I have 5. And that primarily came out of, I started a podcast with a couple other professionals in the industry, and we do tool reviews. So I get the latest and greatest tools and get to test them out. So I'm always upping my game, always staying on top of the latest techniques. And it puts me far and above all my competition. The next question you want to ask them is, what's their credentials? I am a ARC certified master tech. I'm also certified in powering down electric vehicles. And these are important certifications that keep me safe, keep your car safe, and make sure that you've got a professional working on your baby. We've been open to the general public since 1994. That's a long time to have a shop, and it's one of the oldest, longest standing shops in America. So we're not going anywhere. If you have more questions, you can contact us at dentdynamics.net or at 707-542-3368. That's 542-DENT. And if you want a free estimate, just stop on by. Monday through Thursday, 9 to 5, get a free estimate anytime. Thanks.
Pretty interesting, isn't it? Now you have all the information you need to find the right automotive professional and make an informed choice. Would you like to learn more? Just contact our featured expert at the number on your screen. Thanks for joining us.